Today we're gonna go from this to this with the black mirror cap. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be replacing these chrome mirrors. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process where all the clips are, how to get the old ones off and how to get the new ones on. Here's a shot of the truck with the old chrome ones on. If you like the chrome ones, keep them on. For me, I'm gonna be replacing those with these black ones, and I'm also gonna be replacing the chrome door handles with brand new gloss black replacements. Now with these mirror caps, there are two different styles. There are this style, which have all of the clips, just like the OEM mirror caps. This is the style that you want. There are also these mirror caps where all they've got is double-sided tape on the back and they go over those. Don't use those, or at least I don't like using those, because if you look under them, especially where, let me show you, especially where the black cover comes over, you can see where it's higher and it's not flush here, and sometimes you can even see the chrome underneath them. I don't like that style. It's just me personally. If you want to use those, go for it. Me, I'm going to use these so that it looks like an OEM fit and finish. I've got a couple of prying tools so that I don't damage the old ones. Before we get started, let's look at these new mirror caps so we can see exactly where all the clips are, right? Looks like, so this would be the, this would be the outer edge. This would be the inside edge. Looks like we've got these little clips at the bottom that hold it downwards. So what that tells me is that we've got to pop out 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 clips that have the little tab, a little tooth on the end. So what we're gonna do is pop the bottom out first, pop it out and the 2 sides in the middle, and then take this, then lift it up and away from the mirror. Let's go get the old ones off. Gonna use my small pry tool first. Right, I popped it up and upwards a little bit. Let's see. Did we break any clips by doing it that way? Nope. Oh, maybe that one. All of these are still intact. That's good. Ew, that's dirty. I'm gonna wipe that down and then we'll clip the new one on. All right, at least it's wiped down. I just noticed I've got a little thing here. I wonder if somebody rubbed on there, but that should be easy to get off with some rubbing compound. Let's get the wrapping off of here. There we go, nice and shiny. Is that the right one? Yep, that way. You know, on the next one, I think I'm gonna pry up from the top outwards and then lift it up, because those little fingers that went downwards on these, I think I was just ripping those out, maybe? I don't know, we'll see. All right, let's get this guy on. So I'm gonna get these bottom feet in there first, like that. Oh yeah, those just popped right in. And now, wonder, let's see, will those push right in? All right, let me describe what I did. I put all the tabs at the bottom downwards into those slots. Then I pushed here, kind of bent this whole thing, squished it down a little bit so that those 2 top ones line up, because otherwise they're too high. So I squished the top in a little bit and just found the holes and shoved it in. And now, got nice, perfect fit. Actually fits just like the OEM one, maybe even a little bit better. That's perfect. All right, just push everywhere, make sure it's all clipped in. Wipe this down, this thing needs a wash. So, oh, that's much better. So on this side, I start at the top, got my pry tool under here, and we're just gonna pop all the clips out. Whoop. Well, do this without a camera in your hand. This worked out better. None of the clips broke. So I'm gonna stick to that method as my recommendation for you guys. Start at the top and pry the top away first, and then the bottom should just come right up. This guy down, get in all these little cracks so we don't seal all this Amarillo dust in there. Let's get this plastic wrap off of this one. And just like the other side, I'm gonna put the bottom in first, get those lined up. Let's see, can I do this with one hand? Might need my second hand. So I'm gonna get those bottom 4 clips lined up and then kind of push this downwards like this on both sides and then push the top clips in. There's that side. There we go. Perfect. That looks a lot cleaner instead of the chrome. You know, the chrome wasn't bad either, but just going for a little bit of a change here. So I'm going to do the door handles on the next video, and I'll be wrapping that with some gloss black 3M vinyl wrap. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the front yet. Maybe I'll leave it like this. Maybe I'll change the grill out. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Black mirror caps, black door handles, or should I order some chrome ones to put back on? Because the factory chrome ones, they were starting to flake a little bit. So it's time to replace them anyway. I thought might be good for a different look. Would you guys keep the chrome door handles and put the chrome mirror covers back on, or black those out and black that out? What would you do? Let me know in the comments below. Real curious. I had to order 3 different sets of these till I finally got one that fit correctly. The other 2 sets, right along this flat edge at the bottom, if you paid real close attention, it was like wavy. It wasn't totally flat. This set is perfect. I'll put the link down in the description. So if you guys want to, you can order the same one, or do your research and order them from wherever you like. Just make sure that you can return them if they don't fit correctly.